Hi all, what you see here is an iPad that I've tried to disassemble myself. Eventually I've almost succeeded, but before I succeeded I broke everything. The screen, the LCD, the touch, anything that you can break, I broke. And I have a little experience about doing these things and it didn't help me. By the way, this is the second time that I'm breaking iPad, hopefully the last time. So this iPad will rest in peace, but meanwhile the main board is still okay. By the way, of course I did assemble because it had a problem and I got it non-functional with few problems. This is why I disassembled. I could disassemble now the home button. This was pretty easy, by the way. You have all the iPad mini sticks that you have to remove and some screwdrivers. So now we'll try to do the part of the main board, which is here, and hopefully I will succeed to do this one without breaking any further. Okay, so actually this can be done because this is the first time I'm doing it. It's not so easy, but I think I could take it out without damaging it. So very good job, very good job. I just wonder how to get to the electronics, and we will try to see it now.